What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best weight benches 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The Fitness Reality 1000 Supermax Weight Bench is the most popular adjustable bench on Amazon. It folds all the way up for very easy storage and weighs just 35 pounds. Honestly, it's probably one of the lightest, easiest to move benches there is. Also, as an adjustable weight bench, it has 6 levels to move the backrest from flat into an upright position. The foot bar at the base of the bench also offers adjustability. Although this is rated for 800 pounds, I would be nervous at anything over 300 pounds. Also, many reviews complain about how narrow the pad is and how cheap the materials are. But, for under $150, what do you expect? Fitness Reality does have a no-gap upgrade on Amazon that has incline and decline positions. We haven't used it, but we're willing to bet it's probably about the same quality as the 1000 Supermax. These may get the job done, but they won't be the best piece of equipment for your home workout. Number 4. Nearly 11,000 reviewers give this no-frills, under $70 weight bench a 5-star rating, and hundreds describe it as sturdy, well-priced, and easy to assemble in their reviews. I thought I would take a chance on this bench since it was so cheap, and I couldn't be more satisfied. One reviewer begins. It was packed well and went together in about 5 minutes. I hopped on for a few quick reps to test it out and found that it was incredibly solid, absolutely no wobble at all. With the indicated 600-pound limit, this should be fine for heavy lifting for just about anybody. They add that the padding was thick and firm and that they couldn't feel any bolts underneath either. Another appreciated this weight bench's maneuverability, writing, "I don't have much floor space to work with at home, so I have to reposition the bench quite often depending on the exercise. It is light enough to reposition for different exercise setups with ease, but also very stable when in use," while others note that it's not a bench for serious lifters because of its smaller size and lack of incline. It gets the job done for beginners, and, as one reviewer says, you absolutely can't beat the price. Number 3. Marcy Olympic Weight Bench is a sturdy bench that is constructed from premium steel for long, safe, and comfortable use. It is good for upper body and lower body workouts as it features a dual-function leg developer. The leg developer has a pivot point, which aligns with the knee joint. This facilitates proper posture and ensures maximum effect in the targeted muscle group. The adjustable seat and backrest allow you to work out at different bench positions comfortably. The bench's innovative structure combines weight plate storage posts and Olympic sleeves. You can easily store 2 weight plates on the bar. Number 2. I used to go to the gym, which cost me $120 a month and 30 minutes driving back and forth. Now instead of spending that amount of money and time, I do exercise at home using this bench, says one pleased customer, who describes this adjustable bench as sturdy and yet inexpensive. Over 300 of its over 12,000 5-star reviewers also mention its quality, including one reviewer who says that even after a month of constant use during quarantine, it feels very sturdy while doing a variety of exercises. This seems like the sweet spot with price and quality. Another reviewer replaced her full bench setup with this foldable, easy-to-store option, and though she was initially afraid it wouldn't be as strong, she says, "I could not have been more wrong. I'm 5'9", 168 pounds, and this thing doesn't budge when doing step-ups or any other exercises. With this, my power blocks, and resistance bands, I can have a fully functioning gym setup available to me right in the closet of my studio apartment." Number 1. Best overall pick is the Flibert adjustable bench because it's crafted with sturdy steel, and can handle up to 600 pounds. The bench's seat is filled with plush foam and covered in durable leather, so it's comfortable and easy to clean. The feet are lined with non-slip rubber so the bench is both stable and safe for hardwood. Boasting a backrest with 6 positions and a seat with 4 positions, you can adjust the bench 24 separate ways. This allows you to use it as an incline bench or a flat bench, though it cannot be used as a decline bench. It's also foldable, making it easy to store. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.